In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Ads location extension groups. This is a crucial skill for any business seeking to enhance its online advertising strategy by targeting specific geographic areas. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the Google Ads homepage. You can easily find it by searching for Google Ads in your web browser, or you can directly visit ads.google.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top of the page. Click on it to access your account. This will lead you to the Google Ads home interface where you can manage all your campaigns and settings. Now, once you're on the Google Ads home screen, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed. Notice the tabs and various options available to you. From here, you need to navigate to the Campaigns section. Simply click on Campaigns, which is one of the main tabs on the left side of your screen. This section is the heart of your Google Ads, where you can create and manage all your advertising campaigns. Once in the Campaigns section, you'll want to focus on the audiences, keywords, and content area. Clicking this will present you with options that are crucial for refining who sees your ads based on location, interests, and more. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to tailor your ad campaigns to the most relevant audiences for your business. Next, it's time to focus specifically on locations. Look for the Locations tab or option that appears once you have navigated to the Audiences and Content section. By clicking on Locations, you can manage where your ads will appear geographically. This step is all about aligning your advertising efforts with areas that bring the most business value. Creating location extension groups allows businesses to show additional information about their physical locations alongside their ads, such as addresses or distances away from the user, right on the search results. This is particularly beneficial if you have physical stores or offices, as it helps to bring more visibility and possibly drive more foot traffic to your locations. As you go through these steps, pay attention to the intuitive interface Google has set up. It's designed to make location targeting as straightforward and effective as possible. Take advantage of preview options whenever possible to see how your settings impact your ads. That's all for setting up location extension groups in Google Ads. By targeting physical areas pertinent to your business, you'll enhance the relevancy and performance of your ads. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on mastering Google Ads.